once you receive your acceptance from the University of Sussex, they have a huge variety when it comes to different placements. Yes, it's a competitive application, but it's extremely fulfilling if you receive one. So for me, working at a hospital has been a great translation of everything I'm learning. For me, my career goal is at the end of the day to become a clinical neuropsychologist. It's a very ambitious thing, I know. But University of Sussex Career Centre is helping me get there through providing me different kind of workshops, whether that's interviewing, CV building, having one-to-one sessions. So I think that's how the university is helping nurture me and get into the field that I want. I think the statement, am I good enough, is something we all think about quite often, especially someone coming from a South Asian immigrant background. But please don't be discouraged in terms of applying, because sometimes we surprise ourselves with our own potential.